Turn passion into profit. Your handmade jewelry venture. Imagine transforming your creative spark into a thriving business. You got creative fire in your belly? That burning desire to make something beautiful and unique? Turn it into cash, baby. Your talent can be your ticket to financial freedom. Handmade jewelry? That's your ticket. It's booming. The market is hungry for one-of-a-kind pieces. People crave unique, personal stuff. They want to wear something that tells a story, something that stands out. You can do this. Let's go. Dive in with confidence and let your creativity flow. First things first, what gets you pumped? What's your style? Boho chic, sleek and modern, vintage glam? Find your lane and own it. Make it your signature, something that people will recognize as uniquely yours. Your passion will shine through, and that's magnetic. Next up, materials. Quality matters. High-quality materials make a huge difference. Think gemstones, beads, wires, all that jazz. Research suppliers, compare prices, find the best deals without compromising on quality. Gotta watch those margins, right? Keep an eye on your costs to ensure you're making a profit. Don't be afraid to experiment, mix it up. Try new techniques. Innovation keeps your designs fresh and exciting. Find your signature style, the thing that screams you. Let your personality shine through every piece you create. Crafting your vision, from inspiration to unique pieces. Inspiration is everywhere. Look around you. The world is full of endless possibilities and ideas just waiting to be discovered. Nature, architecture, even a cool texture on a building. These elements can spark your creativity and lead to unique designs. Snap pics, jot down ideas, capture those fleeting moments of inspiration before they slip away. A sketchbook is your best friend. It's a place where your ideas can take shape and evolve. Now bring those ideas to life. Sketch your jewelry designs. Let your imagination run wild and don't hold back. Play with different shapes, colors, materials. Experimentation is key to finding what works best for your vision. Don't be afraid to go bold. Bold designs can make a statement and set your work apart. Start crafting. This is where your ideas start to become reality. This is where the magic happens. Your workspace is your creative sanctuary. Feel the materials, experiment with textures. The tactile experience can inspire new ideas and techniques. Each piece you create is a little piece of your heart and soul. Remember, quality is key. Pay attention to detail. Every small element contributes to the overall beauty. Clean finishes, secure clasps, all that good stuff. People notice. Your dedication to craftsmanship will shine through in every piece. Setting up shop, your online jewelry store. Time to take your biz online. E-commerce is where it's at. Easy peasy, I promise. First up, pick your platform. Shopify, Etsy, there are tons. Research, compare. What fits your budget, your style, your needs? Get that shop set up. Product photos, gotta be fire. Natural light is your friend. Show off those details, those textures, make them drool. Write killer descriptions, short, sweet, to the point. Highlight what makes your pieces special. Use keywords, baby, gotta get found in search. Section 4, finding your tribe, marketing to niche jewelry lovers. Marketing time. Who are you talking to? Find your tribe. Bohemian souls, city chic fashionistas. Target your people. Social media is your playground. Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, all free game. Post stunning photos, behind the scenes peeks, videos of you crafting. Engage, engage, engage. Respond to comments, run contests, do giveaways. Build a community around your brand. People buy from people they connect with. Don't forget email marketing. Collect those emails, offer exclusive deals, new product alerts, keep them hooked. Section 5, from click to customer, smooth order fulfillment. Cha-ching. Orders coming in, get your system down pat. Package those beauties with care. First impressions matter. Shipping can be a beast. Shop around for the best rates. Offer tracking, people love that. And always be upfront about shipping times. Customer service is king. Respond to inquiries promptly. Be friendly and helpful. Go the extra mile, it pays off in spades. Keep track of your inventory. Manage your finances like a boss. This ain't just a hobby, it's a business, baby. Section 6. Start today, shine brighter tomorrow. No more excuses, you got this. Start small, dream big. This handmade jewelry hustle, it's not just a side gig. It's more than just income. It's a way to express yourself. It's freedom. It's creativity. It's you unleashed. Every piece you create tells a story. Imagine waking up every day, doing what you love, making bank. That's the dream, right? But it's more than just a dream, and it's within your reach. Take that first step. Start with a single design, a single idea. Design, craft, build that online store. Share your passion with the world. Put yourself out there. Connect with your tribe. Find your community, your supporters. The world needs your sparkle. Your unique touch can brighten someone's day, so what are you waiting for? The time is now. Get out there and shine, baby. Show the world what you're made of. Your entrepreneurial journey starts now. Embrace it, live it, love it.